With special equipment, you can hear the sounds produced by space bodies such as stars and planets. The ISS is the most expensive object ever built by mankind. Laika the dog was the first earthly creature to go into space. The size and age of the universe are beyond normal human understanding. In a state of weightlessness, flames spread in all directions at once. Most of the stars in the observable part of the universe are red dwarfs. They are noticeably less hot than yellow dwarfs like our sun. Some bacteria are much more active growing in a state of weightlessness than on Earth. The sun makes up about 99.8% of the mass of our system. The gas cloud in the constellation Eagle contains huge amounts of ethanol, which is essentially alcohol. Astronomers have now discovered about 2,000 exoplanets. See interesting facts about exoplanets located in other star systems. Stars and planets make up only about 5% of the mass of the universe. Where the other 95% comes from is not yet known. In our galaxy alone, about 40 new stars appear every year. The Sun is not the most powerful star in terms of radiation, but it loses about 1 billion kilograms of mass every second due to the solar wind, which carries away its particles. The mass of the Earth increases by about 2 billion tons every 1,000 years due to falling on its surface of space dust. The stars of the famous Big Dipper are actually in different galaxies. The density of some gas giants, such as Saturn, is less than the density of water. Metal objects in outer space can spontaneously weld to each other, but this does not happen in known cases, because the metal oxidizes back on Earth. People who snore while sleeping on Earth do not snore in space, in a state of weightlessness. There are over 100 billion galaxies in the observable part of the universe. Yes, exactly galaxies. The closest galaxy to the Milky Way is Andromeda, but it's also about 2 million light-years away. Every day on Earth falls about 200,000 meteorites, but almost all of them burn up in the atmosphere. In orbit around the Earth is about 8,000 objects. These are mostly all kinds of debris and space debris.